So I have been looking at OpenCode more seriously this week, and I think this is one of the best free coding setups you can put together right now if you pair it with NVIDIA Build. I want to walk through what OpenCode actually is, why developers keep moving to it, then go through the model catalog over at NVIDIA Build, talk about a few specific models worth trying, and finally connect the two and build a tiny web app. Alright, so for people who haven't used it yet, OpenCode is an open-source AI coding agent that runs in your terminal. It is built by the SST team, written in Go, and it sits in that same category as Claude Code, Cursor's Agent, or Aider. The main difference is that OpenCode is model agnostic. You can plug in pretty much any provider, from Anthropic to OpenAI to local Llama models, and switch between them in the middle of a session. According to the project page, OpenCode is used by more than 7 million developers every month, so it is not a small side project. It is the open-source agent that a lot of people in the AI coding space have basically settled on as the default. The pull toward it comes down to a few things. The terminal UI is fast and actually nice to look at, which sounds minor but matters when you spend hours in it. It has two main modes. Build mode lets the agent edit files, run shell commands, and make real changes. Plan mode is read-only, so you can let it explore a codebase, explain a feature, or design a fix without touching anything. You switch with the tab key. It supports LSP, so the agent has type info, function signatures, and diagnostics, not just raw text. There is MCP support for connecting external tools, custom/commands for your own workflows, a headless server mode for scripting, and an official JavaScript or TypeScript SDK if you want to build on top of it. So it covers basically every shape of usage from a quick terminal session to full automation. Now the part that ties into NVIDIA is the bring your own provider design. You are not locked into any single model. You point OpenCode at whatever endpoint you want, and that is exactly the door NVIDIA Build walks through. Go to build.nvidia.com/models. You will see what NVIDIA actually opened up here. It is a full model catalog hosted on NVIDIA's own DGX Cloud, which is their data center GPU infrastructure. The acronym for the platform is NIM, which stands for NVIDIA Inference Microservices. NVIDIA takes a model, optimizes it for their GPS using TensorRT, and then exposes it as an OpenAI-compatible API. Right now, the catalog is showing 139 models with 77 free endpoints. As long as you are signed up for the free NVIDIA Developer Program, you can pull an API key and start hitting these models. There is no credit card requirement and no onboarding beyond signing in. The free tier is not unlimited, which is the part most posts gloss over. You get around 1,000 inference credits on sign-up with up to 5,000 on request, and there is a 40 request per minute rate limit. For normal coding work where you are sending one prompt at a time and waiting for tool calls to finish, that is plenty. For batch jobs or production traffic, it is not. NVIDIA is clear about this. The free tier is for prototyping and development. If you want production reliability, you either deploy the NIM containers on your own GPS or move to the enterprise license. But for most of us, the free tier is exactly the right shape. Looking at the catalog, the first is MiniMax M3. This one came out on June 4th, 2026, and on paper, it is the most interesting open-weight release of the year. It is a mixture of experts model with about 428 billion total parameters and around 23 billion active per token. It runs on MiniMax's new sparse attention architecture, MSA, which gives it a 1 million token context window with a guaranteed minimum of 512,000 tokens. Multi-model is native, so it handles text, image, and video inputs in the same checkpoint. On SWE Bench Pro, it scores 59%, and on the BrowseComp Agent Benchmark, it actually beats Opus 4.7. For coding agents, this is the one I would reach for when the task has visual inputs, like a UI screenshot or a design mock, or when the session needs to run long. The second one is NVIDIA's own Nemotron 3 Ultra. This is the headline model from NVIDIA itself, sitting at 550 billion total parameters with 55 billion active per token. The architecture is a hybrid Mamba transformer mixture of experts, and it supports a 1 million token context window. It is text-only, but it was post-trained specifically for agent workflows, which means multi-step tool calling, planning, sub-agent delegation, and recovery from errors. NVIDIA's own benchmarks put it at the top of US open-weight models on the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index. If you are debugging a large codebase, planning a refactor across many files, or want the strongest reasoning NVIDIA offers, this is the one. The third is GLM 5.1 from Z.AI. This one launched on April 7 under the MIT license. It is a 754 billion parameter mixture of experts with 40 billion active and a 202K context window. The specific pitch is long horizon agentic engineering, meaning it can run autonomously for up to 8 hours on a single task without falling apart. On SWE Bench Pro, it is state-of-the-art, and on Terminal Bench 2.0, it scores 63.5. What makes GLM 5.1 different is that it is built to iterate. Z.AI says it sustains improvements over hundreds of rounds and thousands of tool calls. So inside OpenCode, if you want it to optimize a service, fix a flaky test suite, or refactor a module gradually, that is where it makes sense. The fourth one is Diffusion Gemma, and it is interesting for a totally different reason. Google DeepMind shipped it on June 10, and it is built on the 26 billion parameter Gemma4 architecture, with about 4 billion active. The twist is that it does not generate tokens one at a time. It uses discrete text diffusion to refine 256 token blocks in parallel, which is closer to how image diffusion models work. On a single H100, it can hit over 1,000 tokens per second. So if you want raw speed for things like fast completions, structured outputs, or quick refactors where latency matters more than reasoning depth, Diffusion Gemma is a real option. Alright, so the integration. To wire this up, first head to build.nvidia.com, sign in or create a free developer account, open any model page, and click Get API Key. The key starts with NVAPI. Copy it over in your terminal. If you do not have OpenCode yet, run the install script from opencode.ai/docs. Once it is up, the setup is actually pretty simple because OpenCode now has a /connect command. Just type /connect, search for NVIDIA in the list, hit enter, and paste your API key when it asks. That is the whole authentication step. After that, type /models, which pulls up every model available across your connected providers. Scroll to the NVIDIA section, select any model that you want, and you are good to go. The same flow works if you want Nemotron 3 Ultra, GLM 5.1, or any of the other free endpoints. No config file editing, no auth.json, no base URL to remember. It is one of the cleaner provider setups I have seen in any of these terminal agents. To test it, I made a fresh folder, opened OpenCode inside, and asked to build a small expense tracker as a single-page web app. I told it to use plain HTML, JS, and Tailwind, store entries in local storage, and let me categorize each expense with a small chart at the bottom. It planned out the file structure first, then created the index file, the script file, and the styles, ran a quick check to confirm the layout, and asked if I wanted to add filters. The whole thing took around 4 minutes. I dropped a rough UI sketch into the chat as a PNG, and because the model is natively multimodal, it actually adjusted the layout to match the screenshot. That is the part where M3 stands out compared to a text-only model. A few honest notes before you build your whole workflow on this. The free NVIDIA tier has rate limits that can hit you on heavier tool use sessions, and individual model availability can change as NVIDIA rotates between free and partner endpoints. Some of these models, like MiniMax M3, are listed as non-commercial on NVIDIA Build, so check the license tag on each model card before shipping anything paid. And the Mamba-based context of Nemotron 3 Ultra is technically up to 1 million tokens, but the hosted endpoint may serve a smaller window depending on capacity. Outside of those caveats, this is genuinely one of the better free setups available right now. OpenCode gives you a clean, fast, agent-first terminal experience. NVIDIA Build gives you frontier-scale models behind one API key, and the two connect through a simple OpenAI-compatible config. For students, indie devs, anyone prototyping a tool, or anyone tired of paying for a stack of separate model subscriptions, this is the kind of thing worth setting up once and keeping in your dot files. Let me know in the comments which of these models you end up testing. Alright, so that's it from the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.